In this tutorial, you will learn how to install Kayo on Google TV. Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to install Kayo on a Google TV device like a Google TV streamer, a Chromecast for Google TV, a Sony TV, or a TCL TV. As you can see, I'm already on my home screen. If your home screen looks different to mine, go down to the description. I have affiliate links for a Google TV device that you can plug into your TV, or if you have a different device, I have tutorials for different devices. To install Kayo, we can use the app section, but I prefer to use the settings because I find that's more reliable to find apps. So let's do that now. We can press the right button on the controller until we get to the settings icon. The settings icon is on the top right of the screen. So press the right button and get to it. And then when you're on the settings, press the select button. Now we need to press down and select apps. And now when you selected apps, press select. Select see all apps. Select system apps. And scroll all the way down until you get to the Google Play Store. And there you have the Google Play Store selected. Press select. Press select to open. So now we have the Google Play Store. We can search for Kayo. We can press the up button, the left button, the down button, and now the right button. And now a keyboard pops up. So now we can just type in Kayo and then use the arrow buttons and select the magnifying glass. And then press select. And now press select on Kayo. Press select to install. And wait for Kayo to install. Now Kayo is installed, we can press the home button. And now when we go to the app section now, Kayo appears. So there it is there under your apps. This shows all the apps you have installed. Right now I just have Kayo installed. And I can press the home button again. As you can see, Kayo is now on our home screen. And we can see the apps we have installed. So that was how to install Kayo on a Google TV device. I used a Chromecast, but you could have used a Sony TV or a TCL TV, or even the new Google TV streamer. If you need help with anything else, you can contact me on PayPal. You can send me a message and your issue, and I can get back to you with a solution. If you want to support the production of these videos and you want to get something for it, I have an online store where you can book a one-on-one session with me, or you can download this video, or you can even get an ebook based on this video. So thanks for watching the video. If you want to watch another video, click on the screen now, and I'll see you next time.